Righto, first up, what's the thoughts? What's the thoughts on the Crocs? Never really been into them. They are pretty handy over here because it's so wet. My Birks are getting wrecked, but don't know if I'll wear them back in Australia. Maybe, we'll see.
Can we get it today?
Today.
Thank you.
Right, so we just dropped our clothes off to get washed. It's usually a bit cheaper, but it costs like 20 bucks, which is pretty expensive.
Very expensive.
It was like $5 last time I'm here, but I don't know. It's just easier to do it than do it when you're down.
And my favourite part is they steam everything, so it's so nice. I love it.
Righto, we've just come to a cafe for a coffee. I'm about to jump on a call for an hour, just a meeting, and then go have a look around.
So we're just driving along, and here's a market already. There's so many along the roads in Bali. Like every few meters you just pull up to a market. It's just a shortcut in Bali. It's like a shortcut road, and it's always so busy. So guys, besides the hustle and bustle, there is actually really nice shops in Bali. So we've got Skin and Beauty, Cove, and then another one. Like the shops are so nice here. And I always love coming to shop at these shops because you just know that the sizing's right, and they're just so nice, and the quality is amazing. So yeah, I love coming and looking around. I'll take you with me. Morning. See what Elliot's doing. What are you doing? Oh, Bakari sweat.
Having me Bakari.
Tell them what the Bakari sweat is.
I believe they're like a hydration drink. Also, not 100% sure because you can't read it, but I think they got heaps of electrolytes and stuff in them.
Yeah, well, we assume, we've been told it's an electrolyte drink, iron supply drink, so tastes a little bit funny, but also not too bad, hey. This is one of our favourite spots to come, and it has the best food. So you can sit up here, drink, hang in the pool.
You want here?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Please.
And it's so nice. How cute is it? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. As you just seen, we just got approved for a rental in a place that we haven't even spoke about going to, so it's a bit random.
We actually haven't even told like anyone in
We
our
just
lives.
randomly decided we're going somewhere different again than Early Beach. We're still going to buy a house, but we're just not going to live in it. We might live in it in a couple of years or in a year or so, so pretty random. We're moving to Noosa on the sunny coast, so yeah, we're going there for now for a year or so. We've got a year lease, so we'll see what happens after that. But we're still gonna buy a house, so we'll let you know how we go there.
It's pretty exciting though. I've got one of my best friends that lives in Noosa, and then yeah, I just think it's gonna be really exciting. It's obviously a really nice place to live. We've been to Noosa several times, and yeah, I guess it's what, 4.5 hours from home, so our family will be able to come see us a little bit more.
Yeah, close to Fraser Island, plenty of good camping around there. Can still send it up north, go fishing and stuff, so it'll be good for the time being.
Yeah, see how we go. But anyways, go enjoy Bali.
So we're down at the pool. Our hotel's been putting on free beers every day for us.
It's actually ridiculous.
So you get 6 free beers between us. Because it's raining, that's why they've been doing it apparently. It hasn't even been raining today.
It's not even raining and we still get free drinks. It's actually great.
Can't complain.
Right, the weather is so nice here at the moment.
I'll teach you a little trick on how to pop a beer with another beer. So put that, click them together and put your thumb under the other one.
Whoa, nearly just hit me in the head.
Pop that, and then if you need to pop this one as well, if you need to pop this one, you use that under there and pop that off. Don't even need a bottle opener.
How good. Free beers, Bali High, I would say is a little bit better than a bintang, and the pool.
Does anyone else just leave shit everywhere? I literally just left the table there to walk up to the room. I left my shirt there, left my shoes there, left everything.
No, I was like, Elliot, are you going to get your Crocs? Elliot, are you going to get your t-shirt?
I do it all, I'll just
Are you
leave
gonna
stuff
get your
wherever.
water bottle?
Like I actually don't really care, to be honest. I'll just get some more, I suppose. But it's pretty common, I just leave stuff everywhere.
Alright, so we're going out for dinner right now. Thinking about going to one of the beach clubs for a couple of drinks. Weather's looking good. We're staying at the Eastern Ashton, which is in Canggu. These are kind of what the balconies look like here. What are your thoughts on the place? Would you stay here again?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's got a pool and a gym and I don't know, wherever else you want. It's pretty central, it's in like perfect location.
We did use the gym, obviously use the pool. There is a kids club here if you want to come here with kids. Yeah, it's pretty good overall. I would come back. So guys, I'll show you like how the intersections work here. It's actually crazy. You pretty much just pull out and everyone gives way to everyone and you just hope for the best. Okay, this is an intersection here. So obviously this chick, yep, you just go. So you pump your scooter and then you get on the back of the buggy.
We're at Potato Head Beach Club, which is just one of the ones on the water.
Oh, it's such a nice venue, like actually crazy how beautiful it is here. How cool is this? So nice.
So they got recycled plastic machines. They recycle it, print it into a board and then make shit out of it like that. I don't really know why they do this here, but it's sort of just a bit of a display. Obviously, so it's $18 each to get in, but you can get a free cocktail, so that's not too bad, I suppose.
You're paying for a cocktail.
I've been smashing the spicy margs, and I've been getting extra spicy, and they're very spicy.
It's not a good one?
Yeah, it's good.
Really? What would you rate this one?
Probably the best one I've had since I've been here.
Really? No, I can't.
Go on.
I think I like these. Oh, they're very tight.
Right, so we just got to Finn's Beach Club. We'll come over to the other side. How's this? The old Rick's lads lined up. So if you're here, one of my mates owns this brand. 6 sunnies. If you're looking for some new sunnies, go check them out.
Love them.
Yeah, if you have 2 count, you can get 2 shots.
If you follow, you get a shot.
Yeah. Shot. What's your name?
Hell yeah.
Ready? Yeah.
Finish it, finish it.
So once again, free chips.
It's so good.
And
honestly.
they got sauce with them this time. Usually they don't have sauce.
These would have to be. We've come here to this it's called jalapeno. It's a Mexican joint, obviously. We've been here like probably 4 times now, being in Bali, and it's so good.
Jalapeno. With a J.
If the balance sheet, you can still order our cocktail, yeah? Thank you.
Thank you. Right, I've been having spicy margs all day, but this thing, don't really know what it is. It's good. Have a go.
Oh my god, I thought it was a spider. Look at it. That's spicy.
So that's our password. Prawn and carne, yeah?
Thank you.
So they're giving us a free shot, finishing off. It's actually alcoholic too.
I'm just done. I can't do a show right now.
Right, we're in the mini mart. Best part about the mini mart is it's just got every drink in the country.
And you can drink them on the streets.
Yeah, just get whatever you want. Bali sip, the seltzers have come to town.
So, for example,
$5.50, that's pretty expensive for a seltzer, but
yeah, like you can get a normal beer for $3 or $2.90.
$2.90. Bintangs $2.90. They used to be about $2, but gone up a bit. Tawley for $5, which is probably what you pay in Australia, to be honest. But you can't buy them from the servo, so it's not the same, is it? One thing that is expensive here is hard liquor off the shelf. So a bottle of Captain Morgan, $50, $49.99.